there, Maria. What else do you see in there?
Don't come in there. There's a snake inside here. And there's alligator. Whoa.
What else do you see?
Look.
What is that?
A baby cheetah.
It's a cheetah.
It's a baby cheetah.
Yeah. Why don't you try another page?
Hey.
Show him another page.
Yeah.
Look, Jayla, next page. Ooh. What do you see? Tell Jalen what you see.
Butterflies.
Yeah. What else do you see?
Look.
What is that?
Duck.
Oh. What's that? It's a
Hey look. Hey look.
kinkajou. I don't know what that is. Ooh, spider.
I step on the spiders. That's my Avenger suit.
Yeah, you step on spiders with your Avenger shoes. Where's the snake?
Here's the snake. There's no snakes here.
Oh, there's one right. Do you see the frog?
Hey, here. That's Kane.
Yeah? Okay, next page. Jalen wants to see the next page.
Next page. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
What is that?
Now look. It's a swinging monkey.
Oh, is that a spider monkey?
Yeah.
Next page.
Next page. Ooh.
What do you see?
And there's another frog. There's a snake.
Can you point to what you're looking at and tell Jalen what you see?
And there's another frog. There's another frog.